Guys, back with another 2-Minute Tuesday, and this time I'm doing a little video for the Crosstrek Wilderness. My WRX is in the shop, and I currently have this 2024 Crosstrek Wilderness for a loaner car, and I just wanted to show you why this is possibly the best off-road vehicle you can get. So in this very short, brief video, I'm going to go over some of the few features that I think make this the best off-road capable vehicle, and plus your daily. Alright, so getting started, we've got this beautiful sapphire blue color. It comes with this 9.3 inch clearance off the ground. It gives you lots of clearance for anything you're doing. And also right here, the front gives you plenty of angle, so you get a really good approach angle. And then the back, you also get a really good departure angle right there. So just in case you're rocking or something, you won't hit anything, or less chance of hitting stuff. Alright, so not only does this car have a very big clearance off the ground, it actually comes with a built-in skid plate, which is metal. There's a lot of it on the inside that is, or underneath, that's plastic, but on the important parts, it is alloy metal. Alright, next we have all this black cladding. It actually, as you can see, it does do its job and protect the paint from anything you're going off-road for. So I know it may not look the nicest to some people, but I think it actually looks pretty cool and it does its job, just like on the WRX. And another reason is we got these 17-inch alloy wheels with an all-terrain tire. This is from factory. All-terrain tire. This thing also comes with an off-road tune suspension, so that's also a plus. And then let's go in the car real quick. Pop the hood. Pop the hood. Alright, now that I have the hood propped up, this does come with a 2.5 liter boxer engine, and it produces 182 horsepower with 178 pound-feet of torque. So yeah, look at that. Very easy to work on. Just like kind of the WRX. And with this engine, this car is actually able to tow 3,500 pounds. So yeah, that's a lot more than the usual Crosstrek. A usual Crosstrek, I believe, you can only tow 1,800, so that's a big plus about this if you're trying to tow your ATV or dirt bikes or something. So let me close this real quick. It also comes with this fancy little matte black thing on here. Oh, it also comes with this fancy little matte black thing right here. And also, you got your, still stickers on there, but your right fog light and your left fog light. And you can notice that the grille is actually a bit different from the older models. And here are your two support things right here that you can, if you ever get stuck or you need to pull someone out, just pop those open. Alright, so the last thing, or second to last thing, is it has roof racks, so you know, if you need to go anywhere. And the very last thing are these Crosstrek Wilderness and just Wilderness themed seats. Got the embroidered stitching right there. And this is actually made out of something called StarTech seat material, and they claim it is waterproof or water repellent, and I can confirm it is definitely water repellent. Alright, so that's about it for this 2-Minute Tuesday. I just want to do a quick little brief overview on the most important things that make this car one of the best off-road / daily vehicles that any car dealership sells. Hopefully you all enjoyed. See you in the next.